Hello everyone. Today, we're talking about a surprising household item, baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, and how it may offer some benefits for older adults. Now, before we dive in, let me be very clear. The claim that it can make 13 health problems disappear, however, there are real, evidence-based applications worth discussing. Number 1. Heartburn and indigestion. Baking soda acts as a natural antacid. It neutralizes stomach acid and can provide quick relief from occasional heartburn. But chronic use can lead to electrolyte imbalances, so use sparingly. Number 2. Urinary tract health. Some studies suggest baking soda may help maintain urinary pH balance, possibly reducing UTI symptoms, but always consult your doctor before self-treating infections. Number 3. Kidney function. In patients with chronic kidney disease, low-dose baking soda under medical supervision may slow disease progression by reducing metabolic acidosis. Number 4. Oral health. Used as a paste, baking soda helps reduce plaque and gingivitis due to its mild abrasive and antibacterial properties. Number 5. Skin irritations. Topical application can soothe sunburns, insect bites, or rashes due to its anti-inflammatory effects. Number 6. Athlete's foot. Soaks with baking soda water may help reduce foot odor and fungal growth. Number 7. Body odor. As a natural deodorant, baking soda neutralizes odor, causing bacteria. Number 8. Detox baths. Mixed with Epsom salt, baking soda baths may aid in muscle relaxation and skin detoxification. Number 9. Vaginal pH balance. Some women report relief from odor or mild discomfort using baking soda soaks, though this should never replace medical treatment. Number 10. Exercise tolerance. In younger populations, baking soda may improve endurance by buffering lactic acid, not typically recommended for elderly without guidance. Number 11. Cleaning aid. While not a health benefit per se, using baking soda as a non-toxic cleaner reduces exposure to harsh chemicals, great for seniors with sensitivities. Number 12. Respiratory relief. Limited evidence suggests steam inhalation with baking soda may thin mucus in minor respiratory conditions. Number 13. Blood sugar management. No solid evidence supports baking soda improving diabetes control. Please don't substitute medical care. Important warnings. Overuse can cause metabolic alkalosis, leading to confusion, muscle spasms, or irregular heartbeats. Not safe for those with high blood pressure, heart failure, or kidney disease unless supervised. Always consult your physician before starting any regimen involving baking soda. Bottom line, baking soda is a versatile, inexpensive product with selective, science-backed benefits, especially for minor ailments in older adults. But it's not a miracle cure. Use it wisely, safely, and always in consultation with your healthcare provider. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves and stay curious.